That bar is so nice, I want to take it home, put it inside my house. Virginia is for Grubbers. We are back again with another old-fashioned Friday, and today we are in Ashburn, Virginia at Celebration by Rupa Vira. I hope I'm saying that right. I asked him if I was saying it right. I think I'm saying it right. I found this place online. The photos look super, super sick. As you can see from just the bar itself, that bar is so nice, I want to take it home, put it inside my house. Saw that online, I was like, I definitely need to come check this place out. It's an Indian cuisine spot, fairly new, opened in 2020, they said. So, I don't know, I love finding new spots. I don't care where it's at, especially in Ashburn, because I'm like fairly familiar with a lot of the places in Ashburn. I didn't know that this place was here, so that made me excited. Nonetheless, you guys know how this works. 0 to 3 on appearance, 0 to 3 on first sip, 0 to 3 on overall taste, and 0 through 1 on overall ambiance. I'm gonna skip and do the ambiance first. As soon as you walk in, again, you can see the bar. Super, super chic bar. Love the chairs, love the colors that they chose as far as the chairs are concerned at the bar and around the restaurant. It's like spotless in here. And again, since it is a new restaurant, it's just very, very clean and spotless. So we're gonna go full one on overall ambience. Let's jump into this appearance. Now, no single cube. Obviously, everyone knows that's an issue for me. However, big glass. Not only is it a big glass, but it's kind of a design glass, which I'm typically not usually a fan of, but like this feels very, very chic. So I am a fan of that. Got the orange peel, got the Luxardo cherry. So literally everything except the single cube is on point. So I think we're gonna go 2.2. Here we go for sip. Incredibly smooth. Pretty much exactly what you want when you take a first sip of any old fashioned. Again, if you have that single cube, just the whole first sip experience is a little bit different because you're kind of like blocking multiple ice cubes when there's a lot of ice cubes, but that was super smooth. Close to as good as you're gonna get. Their old fashioned, by the way, is called Celebration Old Fashioned, you know, in honor of the name of the restaurant. It's smoked bourbon, which they do at the table. Their own bitters, pomegranate and orange twist. I didn't know that pomegranate, but I do think that adds a nice little touch to it and some flavor in there and cuts the edge off of the bourbon. Big fan of that first sip. I think I'm gonna go 2.8 off first sip. And then here we go, we'll go on overall, see how these ice cubes hold up with the overall. Second sip, consistency is there. Still just as smooth. I was also the only person in here. Now there's people coming in here, so I'm gonna try to finish this as fast as possible so I can get out of here and I don't disrupt anybody else's dinner. Here we go. I really want that Luxardo cherry, and getting it with the ice cubes is gonna be a little bit of a dilemma, but I'm not leaving unless I get it.
But do you like it?
I do, very good, thank you. Also, when I came in, I said I'm just gonna get one drink, and they said, do you want an old fashioned? So, I don't know, maybe that was a lucky guess, who knows, whatever, but solid. Solid, again, no single cube. This ice is already, you can see, melted a good amount. It's gonna dilute it just a little bit more than I typically would want, but incredibly, incredibly smooth. So what I said 1, 2.8 plus 2.2, what is that, 4, 5, plus 1 is a 6. I think on overall, just because of the dilution, I don't think you could stay at a 2.8, but I'm gonna go 2.4. 2.4 on overall, I feel like is a very fair score. And I think that leaves us at an 8.4, which again, if you've watched any of the OFFs on any of the dates, any place that's getting over an 8 is an incredible product, and we highly recommend coming here. If you're getting between 7 and 8, maybe you need to make some minor tweaks, adjustments, whatever. If you're getting below a 7, then it's like, you know, bad news. But that's it. Celebration by Rupa Vira, Ashburn, Virginia. Virginia is for Grubbers. Cheers, guys.